Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 7 latest defense updates. Number 1, sights on indigenous submarine design. Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited, India's leading shipyard, has announced plans to develop a full-scale indigenous conventional submarine design by 2028. This project will be undertaken in collaboration with the Indian Navy's Warship Design Bureau. The new submarine design will be for a 3,000-ton vessel and is expected to incorporate several cutting-edge technologies. This aligns with the Indian Navy's Project 76, which aims to procure 12 indigenously built conventional diesel submarines equipped with advanced features like air-independent propulsion, that is AIP, lithium-ion batteries, and potentially pumped jet propulsion. Next, local engines to power future warships. The Indian Navy, traditionally reliant on foreign suppliers for its warship engines, is charting a new course towards self-sufficiency. This ambitious initiative aims to develop a range of indigenous marine engines, empowering domestic industries and reducing dependence on external sources. Currently, the Indian Navy utilizes a combination of diesel engines and gas turbines sourced from Ukraine, the United States, and the United Kingdom. The strategy, while functional, presents challenges in terms of supply chain vulnerability and long-term maintenance needs. Next, Boeing open to Indian weapons on F-18 and F-15EX for IAF's MRFA tender. In a bid to woo the Indian Air Force, the massive multi-role fighter aircraft tender, Boeing is making a two-pronged approach. They have not only offered their top-of-the-line weapon systems with the F-18EF and F-15EX fighter jets, but are also surprisingly open to integrating Indian-made weapons. This openness to integrating indigenous weaponry like the Astra Beyond Visual Range air-to-air missile, smart anti-airfield weapon, the next generation anti-ship missile could be a significant advantage for Boeing in the competitive MRFA race. Next, India's BrahMos missile deal with Philippines. The recent agreement between India and the Philippines for the supply of BrahMos supersonic cruise missile marks a significant development in regional security dynamics. While the deal strengthens India's defense export ambitions, analysts believe it could also send a strategic message to other Southeast Asian nations. The Philippines aims to integrate the BrahMos missile into the shore-based anti-ship defense system. This acquisition will significantly enhance the Philippines' maritime defense capabilities in the face of territorial disputes with China in the South China Sea. Next, IdeaForge introduces Flight Cloud. An IdeaForge Technologies Limited, a leading force in global drone technologies, has unveiled the beta launch of its revolutionary Flight Cloud platform. This groundbreaking innovation promises to redefine the way business leverages drone data, ushering in a new era of streamlined workflows and powerful insights. Flight Cloud tackles the challenges that often plague drone data management. Gone are the days of juggling multiple vendors, navigating complex regulations, and struggling with inefficient workflows. Flight Cloud offers a subscription-based model providing flexibility and affordability for business of all sizes. Next, cutting edge of drone technology in Eurosatory 2024. Get ready to be awestruck by the future of drone technology Rafe Amphibier, a leading Indian drone manufacturer, is set to showcase its most innovative creations at Eurosatory 2024, the world's premier land and air defense exhibition held from June 17 to 21st in Paris. The Indian company has carved a niche for itself in the drone industry, constantly pushing boundaries with its cutting-edge technology. Eurosatory 2024 provides the perfect platform for this to unveil its latest advancements and engage with the global audience. Thank you.